Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review of the SinoPro Bluetooth speaker alarm clock charging station. You'll receive the clock unit, a power adapter with 4-foot cord, a 40-inch gold-plated male-to-male audio cable, and an instruction manual. The clock measures 7 inches by 4.5 inches by 2.5 inches high. The finish on the clock is a faux wood grain, as the unit is made from a hard plastic shell. On the left and right hand sides are the speaker grills covered in soft fabric. In the back, you have buttons for setting the clock, thermometer units, alarms, and hour format. There's also the alarm buzzer, 2 USB output ports for charging your devices, an Aux-In port and power port. The bottom of the unit has 4 small rubber feet so that it won't slide on your nightstand. On top you've got the wireless Qi charging area in the middle, 4 touch-sensitive keys towards the front for playback, volume, and alarm snooze, and an NFC pairing area in the corner for Bluetooth devices. When plugged in, the Bluetooth comes on automatically, and the clock will flash for you to set it. Set the time by pressing the time key and then the up and down keys on the back. Press and hold the up and down keys together to get to the temperature mode, and press up for Celsius or down for Fahrenheit. Press time to return to the clock. When choosing an alarm mode, a flashing light means it's a one-time alarm, and a steady light means it's a daily alarm. To pair over Bluetooth, just select X5 in your device's Bluetooth menu. My phone was also able to pair quickly and easily by tapping my phone to the NFC pairing area in the corner. The audio quality, however, is just average. Because the placement of the drivers is on the sides, the audio tends to sound distant and muffled if you're facing the front of the clock. The music also sounds a bit boxy, and the mids and upper ranges distort pretty quickly even before you hit the max volumes. The bass response is basically non-existent, and overall there's just a hard edge to the music no matter what track you listen to. For an alarm clock, I wasn't expecting a true audiophile experience, but I don't think the audio quality is really that much better than my phone's speaker, though it is much louder. The one feature I wasn't able to test is the Qi charging because unfortunately I don't have a compatible device. However, the USB ports on the back were able to charge my phone, albeit at a slow 1 amp output. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.